Tactical Bianx, and I'm here with
Michael.
Michael. Michael, what's your paddle and what do you like about it?
My paddle is no brand. From
No
Shopee.
brand! Okay, so how do you like it so far?
Okay naman.
Okay yung
Nakakatama
performance.
naman.
Nakakatama naman. So, naniniwala ka ba na wala yan sa paddle?
Yeah.
Yes! Okay, so marami naman na ipanalo tong
Marami
no brand.
Marami naman.
Okay, so may I ask how much did you get it for?
1.4 I think.
1.4! So, first ulit na.
Nirecommend lang nung friend ko eh. Kasi
Nandamay
sabi-
ka pa? Ano pangalan ng friend mo?
Si Christopher.
Shoutout mo
Lagi
na.
siya nandito
Hi,
eh.
Christopher!
Shoutout sa'yo.
Shoutout sa'yo! So, may plan ka ba to change your paddle anytime soon?
Naglalaro lang kasi ako kasi off-season kami eh. Kasi I'm
ano?
a football player.
Football player! So, you feel like okay na sa'yo yung
Okay
ganitong
naman.
Okay, so thank you.
Salamat po.
Thank you so much and bye!